Welcome to North of the Broad. I'm your host, Karen Wyman, coming to you from Higher Ground and Ladies Island. And I'm with the one and only Tim Lovett, owner, operator of Higher Ground. How are you, buddy?
Hello, Karen. I'm great. How are you?
Good. I missed you. You know, the last couple times I've been here, you've been busy, out and about, getting things done.
That's right.
So we haven't had a chance to talk about what's happening here at Higher Ground.
Well, I have been on the road, going to some trade shows, picking up some new merchandise for this spring and actually this fall as well. But
Thinking ahead.
Spring has sprung, and
Spring has
we
sprung.
are getting cranked up here. New merchandise coming in almost daily. Paddleboard rentals and tours and kayak rentals and tours are taking off now.
Right. I mean, I already saw a picture of you this week, or that you were already out on the water.
Been out on the water.
With Hobie, because we're in the 70s now here.
know.
We went from freezing to springtime weather in no time. But certainly we want, people to know that, you can be out in the water almost any time of the year here in Beaufort.
Oh, yeah.
Now is a great time if you've been sitting back and holding off on whether I should dip my toes in the water, for people to come see you.
The water is actually warming up. Like I said, we were out the other day, and I was like, I think you could go swimming now if you really wanted to.
I think
if
if there's a full
enough.
moon, you could jump in the water at any time. But that's great. I mean, obviously you've situated in your new space, moved some inventory through the holiday season and are looking to have some new stuff come in. So if people are interested in getting on a board for the first time or in a kayak, maybe in a long time, it's a time to come talk to you all here. And demos
Definitely.
available?
That's the beauty of being where we are now. Demos, if you want to try it, if you've never tried it, if you're not sure about what model, it's really easy now for us to put you in the water and answer all those questions and get you going.
Get you going, yeah. So here, it's the time. Now is the time. So we're asking people to come and see Tim and get on the water and really see what beautiful Beaufort's all about from the other perspective.
Yes.
So obviously one of the big things that's happened also, in addition to having this awesome retail space, is the Paddle Shack, which is up above us.
Yes.
Which is a new sort of entree for you into the Airbnb world or VRBO world. And so tell people who haven't had an opportunity to see some of the pictures that you've posted. You've got this great new Paddle Shack, and it's available for people who are interested in hanging out by the water.
Yes, you'll have to find us on VRBO, but we have a 2-bedroom apartment upstairs right above the store overlooking Factory Creek.
Amazing.
That, we're walking distance to downtown Beaufort. We have Dockside right next door. Filling station, a couple of doors down.
Got a great yoga studio, just a little
yoga studio, and with your rental, you get your choice of a kayak or paddleboard to go out and explore the water.
That really sweetens the deal.
Yeah, how about it?
That's amazing. So they can find it. Is it called the Paddle Shack on VRBO?
It is the Paddle Shack on VRBO.
Ladies Island is the place, Ladies Island, South Carolina, if they want to look it up. And is this both short-term and long-term rental?
It is set up as short-term, but we do accept long-term rentals if people want to stay a little longer. So.
Yeah, I mean, who wouldn't want to stay a little longer here? That's
Right.
amazing. Well, congratulations on that part of your business and expanding that. Obviously nice for people who are just watching this show and they've never been here, or some of our local friends who may be looking for a great place for their family or friends to stay when we've got some upcoming graduations or things coming on as we roll through the spring.
If you have people coming to visit you that you don't want
This is the
staying in
place
your
to
house,
stay.
just send them over here.
Let me think about that. But one of the other things that you have going on, and something that's big that's coming up for March, is the Sea Island Rotary Adventure Biathlon.
Yes, March 17th.
17th.
Coming up, yes.
St. Patrick's Day, wow. It's like two, and we get a
that?
twofer with this. Because we'll have to have some green beer at that.
That's possible.
It's possible. Anything's possible. So that's coming up on the 17th. You're going to be out, sort of, as we discussed earlier, between Fripp and Hunting Island, just based on where we are with Hunting Island and the aftermath of 2 hurricanes.
Right. The lagoons still have a little bit of a mess, so we'll be launching from the Rust Point boat landing, which is right on Fripp Inlet between Hunting and Fripp Island. We'll do our 6-mile paddle going up the creek, not out in the ocean.
Right, of course.
And then the run portion goes from the Rust Point landing across 21 to the Nature Center at Hunting Island, where you will go off into the trails and do your 4-mile run before finishing back up at the landing.
And getting your green beer.
Getting your green beer. So it's going to be cool.
Right. So you have a lot going on. It's always fun to be here, of course, in this wonderful space that you guys have transformed since moving. So congratulations on all the wonderful things that have happened at the end of 2017 and moving into 2018.
The rumor is we're going to be shooting outside soon, maybe next time.
Maybe next time.
Out on the dock.
All right. Well, that wraps up this edition of North of the Broad, but look for us next time outside on Factory Creek.